And especially across the eastern plains. Here's a live look this morning right now from our Viera wireless camera. This is in Ray, Colorado, and we're looking at a pretty clear sky there. It is going to be a mix of sun and clouds along the I-25 corridor this morning, and we are under an ozone action day alert, so an air quality warning is in effect until 4 o'clock this afternoon. They'll then potentially reissue at 4 tomorrow. We are looking at, again, some pretty high levels of the concentration of ground level ozone, pretty high. Warm with some afternoon storms today. Risk of severe weather as well. It's going to cover the eastern plains, the I-25 corridor, and then east from there. Biggest risk would be with these storms, some larger hail and wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. Risk of tornadoes today is going to be pretty low out east, but can't rule it out. Now you can see from this shot here at City Park, mid to upper 60s. The winds right now are pretty calm, and we've got a little mix of sun and clouds over Denver. Low to mid 60s right now. Littleton 63, Aurora you're at 64, mainly upper 50s for the foothills. Dumont 59 and Nederland right now 58 degrees. We've got highs though this afternoon, again near 90 degrees from Denver north up to Greeley. It'll be upper 80s to near 90 both today and tomorrow. Pretty hot on the western slope. Montrose today 95, Craig 93, and Grand Junction right at about 100. Now the risk of severe weather again is going to cover the I-25 corridor. There in green we're under a marginal risk and then a slight risk in yellow. So some of the strongest storms will likely develop a little closer to Lyman, Akron, and Sterling. Here in town though we're going to be just on the western edge of that risk. And you'll see it here pop up on Futurecast. Early on, little mix of sun and clouds. We'll see some sunshine through early morning, and then by midday, buildup of cloud cover. A few storms starting to pop up by that point, and then more active weather through early afternoon. That's right around 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then those storms picking up a bit more steam by dinner time between about 5 and 7 up to the northeast of us. And then skies will clear out, so you've got some pretty quiet weather closer to sunset. Early tomorrow morning, sunny skies. We'll see a few more thunderstorms pop up tomorrow afternoon, although the risk of severe weather again might be a little bit lower here in town. We're still going to see some stronger storms out east. So a chance both today and tomorrow with our highs right around 88 to near 90 degrees. Later in the week, there is still going to be a slight chance for a few isolated storms Thursday and Friday, but the big picture is going to get pretty hot and dry. And as we head into the weekend, we're looking at 90s, Jason, both Saturday and Sunday.